learn how to customize shortcuts in Archicad settings, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you're the first to get all our latest updates. Let's get started.
Today's Archicad tip of the week is how to customize shortcuts. Now, customizing shortcuts is done by using the work environment. So by going to the options menu, work environment, and opening up our shortcuts. Once we've got those open, we can then go down to our shortcut schemes, which you can see down below here at the bottom left-hand of the work environment. For our shortcut keys, what we're going to do is we're going to go into our keyboard shortcuts, and we're going to find a command that we want to edit. In this case, say we want to edit the split key. We select the split key, and then we click into our shortcuts and say we want to use slash, for example, as the new shortcut key command. We enter that in. It tells us that it's not currently assigned to any command. If it is assigned to a command, it will change that message, and it will tell you it's assigned to a command. It will show you what that current shortcut is, and you'll have to assign something different. If it's not assigned to anything, the assign button will come up. You click assign, and now that's assigned to that particular command. Once you have created any shortcuts, it's recommended to create a new profile for that as well. And so you want to always have a new profile for any edits that you do to your work environment. So in the future, you can continue to edit and update that profile. And also, if you have new upgrades to new versions, you can move that profile forward. To activate a custom work environment, you're going to go into, when you create a new project, you'll have your new project dialog that comes up and a work environment profile below, and you can select your profile from that. Also, if you've already opened up a project and you forgot to change your profile, you can do that at any point in time. Go back to your options menu, go down to work environment, apply profile, and select your profile from there. And that is our tip of the week for today.